Hi, I'm Anuja.
And I'm Hital, and it's Tip Tuesday on ShowMeTheCurry.com. So today's tip is a little, how would I say, it's functional, it's very simple, but I know a lot of us have appliances at home where we're always constantly pushing buttons on it, and over time the buttons fade.
Yep.
They're just gone, and then all of a sudden you're guessing, right? You're guessing like, I wonder what this is.
Right. I definitely, for one, have a washing machine that is probably about 7 years old, and I can't see the buttons anymore. So, this is a great tip. So over here, I'm just going to show you on an Instant Pot. So you have the start button and the cancel button right here. And, this one has only those two, which is great, but a lot of the others have so many other buttons. So all you need is some clear Scotch tape, and you just take a little piece and you just put it over the start and the cancel, or whatever the buttons that you use the most. And voila! All you have to do is change it out every once in a while. Yep, and the print stays the same.
Yeah, exactly. It also prevents like greasy fingers. Sometimes our fingers are dirty if we're cooking or whatever the case might be, and you're pushing those buttons and they get all grimy. But in this case, you peel off the little Scotch tape and it's a brand new button.
So here's our tip for today.
So if you have a tip and you'd like to share it with us and all of our viewers, then please share it with us, and we'd be happy to spread the word. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and ring that little bell so that every time we post a new video, you will be the first to know.
So see you on another Tuesday with another tip on ShowMeTheCurry.com.